In this video, we're going to set up a traffic ad. So you've done video 1, which was set up the video views ad. That's collected a bunch of data that we're going to retarget. Number 2 was to set up your audience, your custom audience, and that's the audience we're now going to use in video 3 to send traffic somewhere that we want. So we've got people that are interested, and now we're going to say, hey, do you want to see this thing? So first of all, I'm going to go and get the link I want to send them to, which is my Spotify to my latest song. Now in Ads Manager, we click create and we pick traffic. Now, AI in Meta wants to fuck with your head. We actually want to go manual traffic campaign because the new settings are really difficult to find where to put the custom audience. I'm just going to call it new traffic campaign. I'm going to do a campaign budget this time to show you that you can do a lifetime budget of $50. Now, the reason I wanted to show you that was once I put a budget for a lifetime of $500 to run over a lot of months, except that I accidentally pressed daily and it charged my credit card a lot of money on day 1 and I was very disappointed. So be careful you don't make that mistake there. Then next, we're in the ad set. So we're going to convert a website. And the performance goal, you got a few options: landing page views or link clicks. So if you pick link clicks, Meta is going to spend your ad money on when people click on the link that says listen now. If you click landing page views, it's going to spend the money once they reach their destination. I've tested both and I think landing page views performs better. The other goals I haven't tested, don't know much about them, and they kind of just seem like you're spending money on things that aren't really useful, in my opinion. Anyway, now the next hard part is finding the custom audience button. I mean, budget and schedule, you know what you're doing there. This is another place you can check that your budget says it's what you want. What Meta has done though is put a little thing here called exclude custom audiences. So we're in here trying to find our custom audience button and we think we found it. But if you're not reading it properly or you're a bit tired and you put your custom audiences in here, it's going to exclude all the people that we're trying to get to. Very stinky on Meta's behalf, and I don't know how long and how many ads I've sat in here going, oh my god, why can't I find the button? The reason I can't find the button is because, like I've said before, Meta changes all of this so often to confuse you. So, in Advantage Audience, this is the AI part. We're going to switch to original audience options, which is what we used to do. Now it's got another message to kind of say, are you sure you want to do this? I click on further limit the reach of my ads because I want to go back to the old interface that I know and love how to use. The reason being is like that's where my custom audiences are that I've set up. So I just click custom audiences and click the video views. It's pretty simple. Now it's going to tell me that my audience size is too small. I don't care. It should be small at this point. It just wants to trick you, you know? It wants you to spend money advertising to fucking everyone in the planet, but I want to do really targeted stuff. So I'm also going to go, anyone that's engaged with my Instagram page is an audience I've created. Anyone who's engaged with my Facebook page is another audience I created. People that follow my Facebook page, people that follow my Instagram page. I'm sure I've got one of those somewhere. Anyway, I've also imported my mailing list as audiences, which you can do. And then I've done all these ads on video views. I don't even know what these audiences are. I need to go and clean them up. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to click everything that's a video view because they're all people that have watched my videos and like what I do, you know? And I'm like, every time I make a new audience, I just put video view and how much of the video they've gone for. So if they've seen over 50% of a video, they're probably pretty, you know, engaged. And same with people that have visited my website. Okay, now the estimated audience size is about 3,000 people, which is a lot of people. So I don't care that Meta tells me it's not a very big audience. Fuck you. I'm also going to just pop my age up because my audience is older. You might not know yet, and that's fine. But don't touch any other demographics because we want to keep just to the people that have seen the video. If you start putting in the demographics, it says people who like guitar, who have seen the video, and it really dwindles down who you're trying to target. So it kind of makes it too small. Then we click next. Now we're in the ad. Check you're in the right profiles. I am going to use a existing post. And the reason being is I did a live video of this song, and it went quite well. And because it went well, I boosted that post for a day for $10 just to get a bit more engagement on that. So I know that reel really works. So I'm going to send that out. And it's the song that I'm trying to send them to on Spotify, so it kind of fits. And then I'm going to pop my URL to Spotify in, and the button I'm going to call it Listen Now. And it's that simple. I scroll down, make sure my website events are clicked, because that, if people end up on my website, brings them back to better in the data, which is what I want. And then I just check the placements to see what's going on here, and you can see I always put a lyric with a live video. I think that's nice. You can write whatever you want. You could say, come see my Spotify page now, or whatever. But when you pick a custom, sorry, not a custom, but like a existing post, you can't change, up here you'll notice, you can't actually change the primary text. You can only change that if you create a new ad you can use this video if you upload it that way. But I wanted to use an existing post because it's already proven itself. And then I click publish and I'm done. Skip the tax info. Then I come back to campaigns and you'll see it's in draft. It'll say ad sets inactive. That's just because it's processing, and you'll get a ding on your email notifications or your Facebook notifications or wherever you get notifications to say the ad's running once it's processed.